Hi guys, it's Chichi here, and today we will be making the biggest duck you have ever seen. Tunasikia vijana here. So guys, we're gonna do the marination. I'm gonna put all the spices together, and then I'm gonna mix everything. Do a lot of spices. So here we'll start with the rosemary. I'm sorry guys, the heat is too much here. Too much heat. You can put as much as you want. I'm gonna put a lot of spices. I'm gonna also put, this is turmeric. I've not put them in the containers yet, but we'll do that next time because they're still new. So this is gonna be turmeric. It's good to have 2 spoons of turmeric. Now we can add because it's a big duck. It's a very big duck. So that's turmeric. And then we're gonna do the paprika or paprika. How do you call it? They want it spicy, the people who they're gonna eat. So I'm gonna do that. This one is the most chili one. It's called the cayenne pepper. Okay, here we have oregano. You can put as much as you want. Okay guys, so here I had the garlic and coriander because they've been out for a long time, so it started to turn the color, but it's still okay. I'm gonna mix everything here, and then I'm gonna put some olive oil here. Half the olive. I'm sorry. I think I will add more spices. I wanted to add some turmeric. Oh, and we need some salt. This one is Himalayan salt. Now I'm gonna mix everything. Okay. sweetheart. And the duck is going really well. It's looking good. It's looking yummy. That's fun. I'm not. So we're gonna have a glass of wine. But nionyeshe damu kidogo. Maini ama hii huwa inaiva hata ni kama ishaiva. Si huku umeniambia. Aje. Ni tamu. So very fresh. Oh, iko soft. Ingine. Elo kuna mashida. Mwenye nanitaja na kitu kwa na mafuta mingi. Bado hijaiva. Ni mafuta ndio ilikuwa inamwagika. Shida ni imejaa mafuta. Yeah. Ukweli. I think inaiva poa kabisa. Si ndio? Haiwezi ungua. Unaona penye kwa smart. Kwa mguu. Imagine imeiva. You'll be shocked. Unavyo nilikuwa nadhani haitaiva. Ni vile tu haina chumvi. I think it's so done. So delicious. Oh my God, it's so good. Thank you guys for watching our today's vlog. I hope you'll come back the next time so that we can cook something else which is gonna be interesting. Maybe it's gonna be a rabbit, an antelope, a zebra, who knows? Thank you so much guys for being part of this. It's very tender, very soft, very juicy, delicious. It's like you are in heaven. I hope you can see the whole of it. This one is gonna fall down in a minute, and I don't know how. So guys, we're gonna have this with rice and some Kenyan vegetables. So good guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time, Adventure History here.